Today you are going to start working on a project. You will have today and tomorrow to complete it. For this project, you are going to create your own tool to help you remember the different properties of addition and multiplication. In Unit 1A, Day 6, I reviewed the properties, and I gave you some examples, and you had some practice. Now you are going to create your own visual. It could be a poster, a slideshow, a movie, a song, a TikTok, whatever you would like that will help you remember the properties. Your creation should include an explanation and example of each of the following properties. If you do not remember what these properties are, they are in your notes. A teacher copy of the notes is also attached to this assignment. The purpose of this document right here is to help you plan. So for example, the commutative property of addition. First, I would think of an example, and I'm like, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. How am I going to show this? I'm going to have it on my slideshow, and I'm going to show a picture of the numbers moving around. Okay, this is just like to get you organized. If this is not exactly what you do, that's okay. It's just to get you thinking about what your project will be like. So it's very important that you have to include all of these. And remember, you need an example and some sort of a visual. Attached to this assignment is also a example of one that I made for the addition properties, so that you can see that's kind of an example of a poster, and you can use whatever tool you want to show this, okay? Your whatever you can use is kind of limitless as long as you're including an example and some sort of visual or audio to go with it. And this will help you remember these properties. So you're going to work on this today, and then you're also going to work on this tomorrow. Tomorrow, you can see on the second page of this document that we have this distributive property. You will learn about this in your notes tonight, so don't worry about this one yet until after you do your Unit 1A Day 7 notes. Please email me if you have any questions, and you got this.